Myrmidons, my brothers of the coin, welcome to Seismic Sales. We have an unboxing today. It's a new... Okay, before we start, we have a 1986 action figure. It's Max Rebo from the Star Wars Cantina band, I believe. He's a piano player. I also read he didn't have any hands. Those are actually his legs. Anyway, what are you gonna do? I got this for sale on eBay. And let's go to the boxing. We have a New Zealand mint. This only took 4 days shipping from New Zealand to California. I'm gonna give it a little shaky shake test. What do you think? You hear coins? Here, put it back to the speaker. Yeah, I didn't hear any coins. It's always a good idea when the bullion dealers pack it so well it doesn't sound like coins. That's a turn off. I did do a sound test, shake test of 4 online dealers. I'll put the link below. Okay, coming out the box, it survived the shipping. They put in plastic. Let's grab the other one. I got 2 Hulks. So I bought these 2 because I always ask my mom, what's your favorite Avenger? And she liked the Hulk. She thought he was cute. So I bought this for her, but you know, she passed. Anyway, let's take a look at the inside. I'll pull it out. Box is pretty heavy, nice and smooth. Graphics are nice. I like his haircut. Pretty clear, crisp and clean. No scratches on the box. Specification is 999, 1 ounce. Niue, 2023, mintage of 5,000. Look, 289 on the hologram. I guess I'm 289. Yeah, some of these Marvel coins don't have a strong magnet. I'm happy about this one. Hefty weight. I like his haircut. There he goes. This colorized coin, it looks kind of grainy. To get it out, you press the bottom, and then the top part flips out. The green does look a little grainy. I'm okay with it. I don't know what the significance is of those fists. Are they supposed to be him punching you? On the top, it's 1 ounce, 999 fine silver, Marvel mark. And behind the Hulk, it looks like he's coming out of a digital wormhole. I do not know the whole process of colorizing a silver coin, but up close through the camera, it looks like it's a sticker. Okay, I just noticed my hands are dirty. I think I had a chocolate croissant earlier. Anyway, on with the review. I really like the proof silver coins. Very shiny. $2, public seal of Niue. Atu Hai Taluga. Let's check out the sides. This is the REITs. I don't think they have anti-counterfeit technology, but I'll show it to you anyway. The capsule is a pretty good capsule. This is my review of the 1 ounce silver Hulk coin from the New Zealand State Mint. The packaging, the box, everything's cool. I like the shininess of the proof and all around. The color was cool. His haircut was cool. I'm getting used to the 3 fists that are coming at you. I did not like the graininess. And it looks like they just took a sticker and stuck it on the coin. Other than that, everything's fine. Okay, Myrmidons, my brothers of the coin. Keep stacking. Like and subscribe if you like this video. Share it. Help me grow. Take care. Have a great day.